What is up, guys? My name is Mateo. I travel full-time in this 1999 Chevy Astro with my cat Lars, and this is my van tour. Alright guys, so the outside of the van is pretty standard. I have this beautiful awning, which pulls out, of course, has shade. I also converted it into a DIY shower. I'll link that video somewhere up above. I also have the storage bag, which fits all the stuff that I don't need on a daily basis, like my outside cookware, stuff like that. That thing is a lifesaver because before this, I had everything just compacted in my van and it was kind of torture. So yeah, let's check out the front seat. Alright, so I don't have a door handle still. I need to get that replaced. But yeah, so this is the inside of my van. Under my driver's seat, I have a vacuum cleaner, if you can see that. I vacuum every single day because I have a cat, so I'm always vacuuming up kitty litter and stuff like that. Also, my mom just got me this sign right here that says, all visitors must be approved by the cat. So I thought that was really funny. I also took out the original carpet and I got some from Home Depot and replaced it. It's kind of shabby, but it does the trick. All right, guys, without any further ado, let's check out the inside. Alright, so I'm from Arizona, and I've always liked the kind of Aztec color scheme, so I wanted to incorporate that with my van build. Starting with the floor here, I used a light wood color just to mix all together with the Aztec theme. It's got a nice textured feel to it. It feels like actual wood, and it goes really well with this Aztec color scheme here with the dark reds, the oranges, the light browns. I even got a cactus cat tree for my cat Lars. That's a picture of him right there that my niece Malia drew for me. I have a jackery right there, water, guitar, and I even have the Aztec, of course, seats there. And my cooking bag has the same scheme as well. All right, so my van actually had a pretty bad leak that I had to fix. I didn't realize how bad it was until I went full time for a couple months. I didn't have anywhere to sit but the floor of the carpet here, and it would just be soaking wet kind of all the time, and I was always getting kind of sick from it. So I tore the entire carpet out and I put in this beautiful hardwood floor. I do have a video about that as well. I'll leave a card up above. I'm gonna shameless plug every time I can think of something, so be prepared. All right, so I actually built this bed myself. I just used some I bought a 12-foot plank from Home Depot, had it cut down to 2-foot pieces, and I found a piece of plywood outside of a pool shop, and I just asked if I could take it. They said yes, and then I got gifted 2 layers of memory foam from the Buy Nothing page in my sister's town, and yeah, I kind of threw it all together, and this bed is super comfortable, and it was super cheap, and it's been getting me through van life. So yeah, this right here is my cooking utensil bag. This thing has everything that I need in it. It's got ladles, spatulas, salt and pepper shakers. I actually just added this multi-spice kit. It's got curry powder, paprika, all these kind of spices. It's also got rice spoon, it's got tongs, knife, fork. It's got everything that you need for cooking and eating, and it comes all compact in this little bag. Under here is my window covers. Also, all of my cat's treats and foods and toys are in that bag as well. So this chair was not turned around before, so the only place I had to sit was the floor of my van. So I wanted to make sure I had somewhere to sit because my bed is too high. I actually can't sit up on it. So I reversed this chair. That's in my video as well of the floor build. This just makes it so much more comfortable to be in here. It opens up so much space. Right here, I have my U-Homie 12-volt fridge. I can open that up, and I've got food, I've got drinks, We got sparkling waters and juices, stuff like that. And access, so I can access them while I'm driving or while I'm just chilling here and sitting down. Yeah, I also added these lights in my van. If you see, I have them all around the back of the van as well. They are remote controlled. I can turn them on and they actually change colors and stuff like that. I'll show you guys. I actually do plan on doing a nighttime van tour because I have a lot of things that I'm not going to show in this video, like my gaming situation. I have a PS4 and a Nintendo Switch, and I have lights that just look really great. So I'm going to do a quick nighttime van tour coming up pretty soon once I hit the road and head back west. But yeah, this is my light situation and it worked really well. I also have string lights, which are more for aesthetics. They don't really light up too much, but they look really good at night. And yeah, that's what I'm dealing with lights. All right, so right down here, this is my 500 watt Jackery. It's currently powering my UHomey fridge. This thing lasts forever. I also have a 100 watt solar panel, so it's always getting constant power while the sun's out. This is my dresser. It's just one of those like cheap $25 dressers from Walmart, but I keep my clothes in the top two, some toiletries in the first one, and in the bottom one I keep my PS4 and my Nintendo Switch, stuff like that. Right here, this is my water. So this is just a 5-gallon container from Walmart that I got, and I ordered one of these. Well, actually one of my subscribers got this for me from Amazon, and it's a USB pump, and it works amazingly. Fills up. I use this for washing my hands, drinking water, and washing dishes. Because I also have this pop-out sink that I got from my amazing friend Lucky Kaya. Y'all should go check her out. This is an amazing sink. I wash my dishes in here, and it also has a thing to unscrew and let the water pour out. So this has been extremely useful during van life. My guitar, I am a musician. All the music in all of my videos, including this one, is made by me. Yeah, so this is the inside of my van. It's not too much, but it gets the job done. Let's check out the back of the van. All right, so I got this beautiful curtain at the thrift store. It's so beautiful, and also this curtain rod, which has like these gold leaves on it. They fit right into these slots here, so I didn't have to do any kind of like curtain rod install or anything like that. But yeah, this is the under part of my van. So under my van I have another generator. This is a EBL 500. They actually sent me this for a collaboration video. They also sent me this amazing 100 watt solar panel, which has been really helpful for keeping all my batteries charged while the sun's out. So if you see my channel before, or if you're new here, I cook like all the time. I love to cook. I don't like having all of the equipment in my van because it just makes too much of a mess and makes the whole place smell like food. So when I'm traveling full time, I like to make smaller things inside the van, and I'll cook larger things outside. So my bigger cookware is up top in the storage bag. Currently, the only thing that I have inside the van for cooking, I have this beautiful electric pot. This thing actually is incredible. You can heat it up and it does not burn on the bottom. It just cooks the food in the pot but doesn't actually release any heat in the van. And then I have this 12 volt Aado heating bag. This thing is amazing. I put stuff in it. I've cooked pizzas, I've cooked ramen, everything from this 12 volt bag. It just heats up and it's perfect. I will link these items in the description if y'all want to check them out. Besides that, I do have a trash can in here, and then I have this container right here, which has, you know, my camera equipment, my tripods, and stuff like that. That's really all I keep in the inside of my van. I like to keep everything else up top because the first time that I went out full time, I noticed that I had no space, and it just made me feel miserable. So I went to put everything that I could up top and have as minimal stuff inside the van as I could, and it's been working out amazing. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. It really will help the channel out so much. And also, I would love for you to join me on my next journey. It's starting to get way too hot in the south for van life, so me and my cat Lars are about to pack up and head west to find cooler temperatures. So I'm really excited about that. I want to go places I've never been before, and I would love if you guys would come along with me. Alright guys, so that's my van tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be coming out with new videos soon, so I'll catch you next time, astronauts. Peace.
Polish me like spots on my apples. Pick me up and fix me. Take me off this breath apparatus. Wake me from my daydream. Breathe me in like your cigarello. Harsh but so addicting. Wrap me up like cold Sunday morning. Drink me like your coffee.